This is Biosphere 2, and for 2 years in the early 80s, 8 people were sealed inside this mostly sealed system to test how humans could live in space. And if you're wondering why it's called Biosphere 2, well, you're living in the first biosphere. Earth is a biosphere, and this was supposed to be a completely sealed off second system. It has 7 biomes, including a coral reef, and there's separate agricultural areas. And of course, there's living quarters in which each of the inhabitants had their own little living room type space and a bedroom. Now, I say mostly sealed because it was supposed to be completely sealed, with like airlocks and everything, not even air could go in or out. But unfortunately, the bacteria that's natural and normal in soil was using up more oxygen than the plants could replace. So they ended up having to add oxygen to the system so, the people had enough oxygen. Also, while they were able to get enough nutrients from all the plants that they grew, it wasn't enough calories, so the entire crew ended up losing weight during this experiment. There was a second mission, but it ended early, potentially because it was sabotaged. After that, it changed hands a few times, and it's now controlled by the University of Arizona, who uses it to study environments and plants because it's the type of place where you can both control and monitor all of the variables. And of course, it's also now a museum that you can tour, so if you're in the Tucson area, it's a bit north in Oracle and it's worth an afternoon.